Hit a
You want
little
snuff?
ice. Not a whole lot, just enough. Give it a little buzz. Let's get this going real good. Maybe break it up, you know, make it all nice and fine.
Is he gonna use what? Is he gonna do this?
That should be good. That's a lot, huh?
You telling me I've never seen this done? It's not snuff. Is it?
Alright.
It's not snuff. Saw it go up. Is it bad?
Woo! It's not that bad. Whoa! Oh!
What's it doing?
Ugh. Oh, man.
Not that good of a reaction. I mean, it doesn't look like it's really hurting.
Woo!
You getting a drip?
Oh, it's starting to get a head change. Oh, I'm getting buzzed.
No.